towing titan facing new allegations of fraud tonight. In a court filing obtained by the 7 investigators, the city of Detroit says Gasper Fiore owes Detroit some answers. 7 investigator Ross Jones live in southwest Detroit tonight. And Ross, is looking like some more bad news for this guy.
Bad news for sure, Stephen. Good evening. The feds were the first to take aim at Gasper Fiore, and tonight, well, the city of Detroit is joining the fray. In a blistering court filing, the city of Detroit says towing mogul Gasper Fiore and his family essentially ripped off Detroit taxpayers for years. Fiore was indicted in May as part of a wide-ranging Macomb County corruption probe, with prosecutors alleging he paid bribes to a city official in order to land a towing contract. Not long after that, the city of Detroit suspended the towing permit for Fiore's company, Boulevard and Trumbull. Now, city lawyers say they've uncovered evidence of fraud, that Fiore's family and his businesses failed to file tax returns with the city for several years, that they filed false tax returns that misrepresented income and took fictional tax deductions in exorbitant amounts. The city's filing stems from a lawsuit that Boulevard and Trumbull filed earlier this year, saying the city improperly took the company out of the towing rotation. City lawyers have tried to get Fiore to give a deposition in that case, but so far he's refused. They're hoping that today's filing will cause a judge to force him to talk. Attorneys for the city of Detroit declined comment today. They said their filing speaks for itself. We were able to reach an attorney for Boulevard and Trumbull. He, too, so far has declined comment. We're live on the city's southwest side. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.
Yeah, Ross, on that subject right there, it wasn't just the city making noise in court. Boulevard and Trumbull also there. Did they file anything?
They also filed something today, Stephen. Essentially, they've asked the judge in the civil case they brought against the city to issue a restraining order. They want the judge to essentially reverse what the city has done here, take Boulevard and Trumbull and put them back in the rotation for towing contracts. They say they're the aggrieved party here, but they'll need a judge first to agree with them.
All right, we'll let the lawyers sort it out, and then you'll let us know what they decide. Ross Jones, thank you for the report.